All right, so we're gonna go ahead and attempt to swap the headlights from my 4.6 over to the 5.4. Just got the 4.6 back today. Super excited. I'm not gonna do anything with it. Literally, probably never gonna drive it again. I just started earlier. It runs like garbage. So what's the point of having good headlights on it? So let's go ahead and take those off and swap them on to this truck. Now the problem is it's literally so windy. Earlier, I had the hood up on the truck, the black truck, and the wind blew the 2x4 out from underneath my hood, and my hood stayed up because it was so windy. And then, of course, after the wind died down, it fell. But the wind today is ridiculous. All right, so first we got an 11/16 socket. Just gonna go ahead and take out this bolt. Or not. Yeah, it's just about dead, so go ahead and grab a ratchet, I guess. Go ahead and throw this on the charger while we're waiting, I guess. Perfect. Get the ratchet. Been using it to work on the sled, so go ahead and take this outside, I guess. It is really cold and windy, and my jacket doesn't have a hood, so just bear with me. All right, just take this bolt off now. All right, we got the first screw out. Now that clip should just come out once we get all the other screws undone, and the headlight should come off. Just go ahead and find yourself a little bin where you can put all your screws so they won't blow away in this 95-mile-an-hour wind. All right, guys, we got the first headlight loose. Now we just need to unplug all the connections, and then we'll take the other one off, and then we'll take them off of the 5.4 and then swap them into the 5.4. Is it snowing? It is. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you guys definitely saw that. I'm gonna have to pull the 5.4 up into the garage. It's getting kind of cold and snowy. All right, guys, so it got really, really windy, so I had to quit recording, and now it is snowing. What the heck? Okay, that's crazy. But anyways, got the headlights out of the 4.6. They're right there on the spare tire. And then I pulled the first headlight out of the green truck, and we're gonna go ahead and put this headlight into the 5.4. Let's go ahead and get this seated and plugged in and everything. All right, so we got everything plugged in, and now we're gonna go ahead and get this headlight seated, I guess, somewhat properly. That looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and make sure it works. All right, we got the first side in and working. We don't have it bolted in yet, but let's go ahead and get this side bolted up, and then we'll go ahead and throw this headlight into the other side. All right, we got both the headlights in the truck here. I'm gonna go ahead and get in and make sure that they work. All right, we got the headlights officially swapped out. They work perfectly fine. I would take it for a drive, but the weather's kind of crappy. I really don't feel like it, honestly, tonight. I'm getting really tired, but anyways, we did get the headlights swapped. There's the crappy ones. I'm gonna put those into the 4.6 tomorrow. Yeah, I'll catch up with you guys then. All right, so we got the black truck back, and obviously it's in need of some headlights if we're gonna sell it. So we're gonna put the headlights off the 5.4 into this truck. First things first, gotta pop the hood. And we broke one of the hood struts a while back on this, so gotta have a 2x4 to hold it up. So go ahead and lift this up. There, that should do it. Yeah, looking at this truck, I cannot believe that I drove this for a year. Like, look at how bad that frame is. Like, there's nothing left. Like, I drove this for a year thinking that it was a safe truck for the road. It's not. Let's go ahead and get the headlights out of the passenger seat. And yeah, I'm probably never going to drive this thing again either. So I'm just going to go ahead and put you all on a time lapse. And then I'm just going to throw the headlights in the truck. right, so we got the crappy headlights into the crappy truck, and we have the nice headlights on the nice truck. So now this truck is officially going away. We're just gonna list it for sale, maybe 1,500 bucks. I think we're willing to take 1,000 for it, but at this point, it's just my parents' decision. I really don't have any say in what happens to my truck. So, yeah, let's go ahead and take some pictures of this thing and get it listed. So I'm gonna air up this tire, and then we're gonna take some pictures of it. All right, so here's the thing. The battery is so dead, the power locks don't even work anymore. So I'm gonna jump it and then start it, and then, yeah. I'm gonna show you guys how it's running, because it is running really bad right now. Got 50% left in the jump pack. Let's see if we can get it started. All right, guys, legitimately just made it to the end of our road, and the truck is down. I literally was just driving, it cut out, and now it won't start. Like, listen to this. She's a crank, no start. Absolutely amazing. Woo! Just love it when your truck won't start. Said check gauges. All right, we have no oil pressure. That is bad. That's not good. Just called my dad. He's on his way down here. We're gonna see what we can do to get this thing fixed, but I have no idea what to do, guys. So we just got some sand in the bed of the truck, right? I'm just driving, taking it for a little test, and the truck just died in the middle of the road. Crank, no start. So, got a tow strap. We're gonna see if the old Honda will tow her home. Doubt it, but we'll see. Keep going. Keep going. Slow. Slower. Keep going. All right, that's good. Good. Let me get in the truck. Oh my gosh, he just yanked that sucker. Oh my gosh. This is so sketchy, guys. Well, I'm just along for the ride at this point. I'm in neutral, so cannot believe this is actually pulling it, though. They pulled it through some snow, so I think we're doing good. It's not an ideal day, guys. Not an ideal day. I don't have brakes and we're going 25. I'm gonna have to like jam the pedal to the floor once we get to an intersection, I guess. So, I don't know. I knew something was coming because it's been kind of like periodically cutting out over the past 2 days. And I'm pretty sure it's fuel pump. I'm pretty sure. We're gonna do a little bit more research and figure out for sure what it is. So, yeah, but this is not good. Not good. And right as I'm trying to sell the truck, too. Wow, what terrible timing. There's home. This is the home stretch right here. All right, this is about half an hour later. Nothing, man. That starter's not happy. And now we got a dead battery. Yep, she's dead, folks. Oh, definitely not a good day when you gotta charge your battery and your fuel pump goes out.
And you gotta get your truck towed home. Not good. Dang it. Not quite. All right, we're giving it another shot here. Gosh dang it. Come on! All right, one more time. We're gonna try and move it up by the garage over there. Nope.
What if I don't wanna quit it? I just keep chain smoking your love like a pack of Lucky Strikes, like Ben's drinking old fashions, cherry in the eyes. Push a button, watch the needle, drop it in the cruise. I can't stop chain smoking you.
All right, so we got some of this Techron fuel system cleaner. And we're just gonna add it into the gas tank here. Don't mind that. Just fuel cap delete, but whatever. All right, so looks like you just take the lid off. And it says the whole bottle treats up to 20 gallons. So yeah, my dad's thought process is, you know, it can't hurt to clean anything. So we're just gonna go ahead and add, oh shoot. Darn me. Wish I had my Kershaw on me. Or some kind of knife. There we go. Just peel that open. Come on. Alright. Well, slow and steady. Alright, so that's most of the bottle right there. Just gonna go ahead and put the cap back on it there. Maybe. There we go. But, yeah. Well, I'm gonna start her up here in a few and see if we can get it cycling through.
Shining on the city lights, all this doubt around me, then but look, I got it right. Don't you try to hit me, now you live a petty life. All those nights I laid awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like I said.